Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. Alright, the plan for today is we're going to replace the rubber brake line in the rear end. Here. Let's see how we do here. Okay. You can see it. I'm gonna make sure I know what I'm looking at here. Huh. That's pretty good lighting there. Let's try this side. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, there we go. Focus it. See, follow the brake line up to that junction. Oh, it almost came into focus for a second. There's a lot of shit down here. It confuses the AI, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to swap out that rubber hose. With this rubber hose. And what do we suppose the odds are the ends are correct? What are the odds? We're gonna find out. I won't bore you with a bunch of me climbing around underneath the car and grumping and complaining and saying things I probably shouldn't. So let me get that up. That didn't turn out like I was hoping. Here we still have this in the package, and you see I got a block end with a banjo bolt fitting style with two crush washers and a lock through on the other end, right, where the brake line screws into. So let's take a look under here. Oh, let's bring the PB with us. Lose that cap right away. Got the big can. Ooh-ah. The big shot. We'll see how that works out. Alright. So on that end, we got the where it's supposed to spade through this tab right here. Right here. Take that off and this comes right out. But she's pretty crusty. It looks like brand new line on the other side. So I'm hoping that's still working. But up on this end, yeah, that ain't no banjo bolt fitting. That looks like a block with two outlets. One straight through and one to the side. And it's tabbed into this right there. Boop. Tabbed into that this bracket. Well, regardless, it's got to come out of there. That's looking pretty crappy, though. Ay, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen here. We might wind up going upstream much further than when we'd originally planned. On this. Yeah, this could be a crappy ass pain in the ass, but it's got to happen. All right, I don't want to expose you to possibly toxic chemicals, so I'll bring you back if we have any. Yeah, I might sound dumb, but I try not to prove them right. Every now and again, I have a moment of, wow, this could go wrong if I do it stupid. So here's to not doing it stupid. All right, I hope that's kind of a good view. We'll find out here in a minute. Let's put a little temperature in that union. We ain't got much torch here. Just want to warm it up enough that it'll cool down and be a whisker smaller than it was. Okay, let's try heating this one a little. Okay, this one. Alright, I'm going to call that good. And we're going to see if maybe we can't turn them loose. Except I didn't bring my frickin' wrench down. Oh, sometimes you're a moron, Todd. But at least you know who you are. Alright. Let's see if we can get any of these to turn free. Alright. Alright, that is definitely the right wrench. Except this. There we go. No. Let's get a little bit closer. Oh! Well, it turned. I can't tell if the... Oh. We're running with it. We're going to call that maybe worked. Okay. Oh, this don't feel good. Wow, that's snuggly. That's snuggly on there. We'll put a little bit more heat at it. It ain't gonna be a lot. And no, I ain't gonna be smart and put my thumb on the bottom of that now. But I do need something to keep it from wiggling around. If I make that a little bit more solid, I'd have better chance at getting it to come free. Alright, what do we got over here in the stash of stuff to use? Oh, what would work there? If I can get the jar of this, that's kind of a nice shape. Yeah, this is gonna be, maybe I know why that brake line hadn't been changed. All right. Well, I bet you I can get it in this way. Alright, that's pretty secure. Now what did I do with the wrench? Sometimes it's tough being dumb. What did I do with the wrench, Todd? Oh, there you are. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, Jesus. let go. Oh. Hey, look at that. Oh, looks like we caught the line now. Okay, they put a bend too close to the end. Maybe we, yeah, hey, we might have got lucky right there. Okay, so that one's out. What about this one? Okay, wrench doesn't want to go on it. That's a bad sign. Wrench feels like it's not sitting square. There we go. Okay, remember how much force it took the other one? Holy shit. Maybe I ought to go another 1/6 of a turn and try and come down. Oh, I see knuckles getting bashed against this rear end housing. It is not wanting to budge. Well, if it comes to it, I guess we could say that's a short line. We could sacrifice it. I'm just bending that bracket. Okay, I can get this one out. I can get this one out. And we'll take the other one off it there. And we'll get it out here, and I'm gonna have to take that bracket off. Take that bolt out of the rear end housing. Put that right back in. So let's finish getting this line off. What do you think? We're getting brake fluid out of it? Probably ought to have a catch can ready, huh? Yeah, let's go get the catch can before we take that step, make that leak happen. Even if it's not much of a leak, I want to try and catch what I can. These can move. Yeah, right about there. Yeah, that's what sucks about using these line wrenches. And these are always so fucking long-winded. Hey, there we go. I think we might have just come finger tight. Yep. And it's out. It looks like we got no leakies. Okay. Take that. This one already, no. Am I using the wrong end of the wrench or some dumb shit? Yep. Alright. There we go. Oh, there's a grip. And we missed by that much. There's that one out. That's right out. All right. That makes it easy. All right. So let's go around the other side. Jesus, I don't really want to take that fucking... We're just going to take the brake line off the back of the master cylinder. That's what we're going to do. Oh, I need to figure out what size those bolts are on the... Because I need... Probably 9/16. Yeah, 9/16. They are, well, that one's all fucking gooey though, so maybe that one's all gonna be the all right one to get out. Oh, it ain't all gooey, it's all fucking rotten. Okay. Well then. Huh. Yep. Oh yeah, that's just fucking chowdered off there. All right. Well, that is not what we are looking for. Those were not the droids we were looking for. Okay. Let's go to the other side here. And all we're going to do here is unbolt the line for the master cylinder. There's nothing really to see. We'll come back. Once again, kaplach. Or for those of you who do not speak Klingon, we have success. We got that, the right side. This is the part that was in the bracket on the body. This is where it mounts to the rear end. And this is the split block that where the two hoses come out of. So come on, focus in on that. You can do it. I promise you can. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. All right, so that is obviously not like that. So we're going to get that off of there and get it separated out. I'll clean it up some. And it looks like we're making a run to the Pat's house, bring that one back, and figure out what this is actually out of so we can get one that fits. Alright, so I believe that covers us for a receipt, because that's the one that we got, and that's the one that we need. So, off to the Pat's house we go. Alright, so that didn't go quite as to plan. Seems local Pat's houses have no access to that particular brake line. So we got to order it from some specialty shop, and yeah, it's going to be quite a bit more expensive than we'd originally planned, we're still quite a ways away from reassembly. So I'm thinking I'll keep picking away at cleaning up this backing plate and cleaning it off and cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it and cleaning it. And then eventually, when the parts do show up for reassembly, we can go ahead and make that happen. I still got to clean all that hardware, clean that backing plate. Pardon me. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna paint the backing plate for sure, but maybe I'll paint the wheel cylinders. Certainly, maybe keep the crap from sticking to them quite as much. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up some and we'll go from there. This is what we're starting with. She ain't real pretty, but you know, it is what it is. We'll move forward. Alright, so there's all the attachment hardware I'm gonna keep cleaned up and cleaned off some. This is a little sketchy. Come on, focus. Okay, let's move it over here. Okay, let's try this. This is the one of the ends on the this is what the wheel cylinder pushes on to push on the shoe. It's a little pity. This over here, half looks pretty good. You're looking a little shitty there, huh? Yeah, it's just rot. But we're gonna run it. We're gonna run that stuff. Yeah. That's what we're gonna keep. These we're gonna replace. These are the hold down pins. We're gonna need to come up with some new springs. We gotta come up with a new spring that goes on that end, and the new springs that go between those. So we got that brake line out. What a goat roping. Got it out. Went around to several different parts houses. Talked to a bunch of different people. And apparently we're going to spend way too much money on it. Well, alright. I guess I'm going to pick up, clean up. Well, I'm going to put a little bit more effort into that backing plate. I think we'll give her a little squirt of brake clean and start wiping it down. Maybe not. I ain't there yet. Tomorrow's supposed to be some really unpleasant weather. I think I'll leave that oil film on it. And yeah, I think that's where we're at. So I guess that's gonna wrap up today. I'm gonna pick up and put my stuff away and get ready for tomorrow. Maybe I'll do some tomorrow, maybe not. It is Thanksgiving tomorrow. Maybe I'll just lounge about the house and actually enjoy a day off, doing nothing. That would be a pretty unusual turn of events for me. Alright, till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. Please, comment. And we'll keep little by little picking away. Hopefully come up with some springs and that brake line. I'll put these rear brakes back together. I'd like to have that done and buttoned up. Then of course, I got a whole other half to go, and the master cylinder and booster. So then at least we're moving forward somewhere on the project. Eventually we'll have it so that Hank will stop, or at least slow down aggressively. That would be awesome. All right, I'm gonna box all this stuff up, put it all away, clean up what I got loose. Find someplace safe to hide it so it don't get trod upon or scattered to the four winds or God only knows what. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. This has been an Empty Pockets production.